Hi everyone, welcome. We will get started in just a minute. All right, hi everyone who's here, and thank you for taking time out of your day to join our webinar. If you're new here, my name is Tina, and I'm the marketing manager at 79 Consulting. During today's webinar, we'll be delving into the world of warehouse management systems, or WMS, NetSuite's WMS to be specific. And we'll be covering its definition, key features, why organizations should leverage NetSuite's WMS, and the latest advancements in this field. We'll also include a couple of live demos. Please do bear with us if there are any delays due to the test account setup. I'd like to encourage you to use the chat feature in this webinar to ask any questions or share your thoughts. We have a couple of experts from our NetSuite inventory management and WMS team, Pujita and Madhvi, who are ready to assist. Before we proceed, for those who might not be familiar with our company, let's have a quick introduction. We do these webinars every month, and should you like to catch up with any of our past sessions and see what we have in our library, please do head on over to our website and to the webinars archive page, and you can see everything over there. Okay. Now, our journey began in consulting, specializing in NetSuite and Salesforce. However, 79 Consulting has evolved to provide services that offer comprehensive support, managed services, and integration solutions for NetSuite clients globally. In addition to this, we have designed and developed solutions tailored to the NetSuite platform aimed at enhancing its capabilities. And you can see our range of suite apps here on the screen in front of you. They cover a broad spectrum of industries and cater to diverse business requirements. You can explore our full range on suiteapp.com by using the search term Tvarna, that's TVARANA. Okay, let me now introduce today's speaker, Navina Bopanna. Navina is our functional project manager, and she manages the function and data migration teams at 79 Consulting. She works with clients and partners directly and provides support on NetSuite. Hey, Navina.
Hello, everyone.
Okay, Navina, let's jump right into our content, but basics first, right? What is WMS?
Hello, everyone, and welcome to our session. To summarize, warehouse management system is a software application or platform specifically crafted to assist organizations in efficiently managing and optimizing their warehouse and distribution center operations. WMS systems play a crucial role in inventory management, enabling organizations to track and exercise a control over their inventory. These systems also facilitate the smooth movement of goods within a warehouse while streamlining various warehouse processes for enhanced efficiency.
Navina, can you give us the key features of a good WMS?
Sure. There are a few key features that WMS provides. Let me just discuss one by one. Let's start with inventory management. So, WMS helps organizations maintain accurate records of their inventory by tracking the quantity, location, and status of each item in the warehouse. Order fulfillment. So WMS systems facilitate efficient order processing, including picking, packing, and shipping of customer orders. They can optimize picking routes and methods to minimize labor and time as well. Receiving and put away. WMS assists in the receiving process by verifying and recording incoming shipments. It also guides the placement of items in their designated storage locations. And the next one is location management. WMS manages the allocation of storage locations within the warehouse, ensuring efficient space utilization and easy retrieval of the items. We have a few more key features, and let's talk about order and task prioritization. WMS can prioritize and assign tasks to warehouse workers based on factors like order deadlines, item characteristics, and shipping methods, also optimizing the work allocation. Let's talk about the real time visibility and how WMS helps with that. Many modern WMS systems offer this real time visibility into warehouse operations, allowing managers to monitor order statuses and inventory levels as they change. Reporting and analytics. WMS generates reports and provides analytics to help organizations make data driven decisions, which is very important, and continually improve warehouse efficiency. Barcode scanning. WMS systems often integrate barcode scanning to track items accurately and streamline various warehouse processes as well. WMS can also seamlessly integrate with other enterprise systems like any ERP systems like TMS, transportation management systems, and order management systems to ensure consistent data exchange and coordination across the entire supply chain. These features collectively empower organizations to optimize their warehouse operations, reduce errors, improve efficiency, and enhance the customer satisfaction.
Namita, what kind of businesses should take advantage of NetSuite WMS?
Sure, Tina. NetSuite WMS systems are essential tools for companies that manage warehouses or distribution centers, particularly those dealing with large volumes of inventory and complex supply chain operations. So, I'm going to discuss about few organizations where NetSuite WMS can be used to expedite their processes. Let's start with how NetSuite WMS can help retailers industry. So retail businesses, both in store and e-commerce, can significantly benefit from WMS to manage inventory, tracking products, and streamline order fulfillment processes. This ensures products are readily available to meet customer demands. So for manufacturers, manufacturers use WMS to manage raw materials, work in process inventory, and finished goods. So NetSuite WMS helps in ensuring they have the right materials and products available at the right time and the location, optimizing production and minimizing the downtime. So for distributors and wholesalers, distribution centers often rely on WMS to efficiently manage inventory, optimize order picking, packing, and shipping processes, and ensure accurate and timely order fulfillment for their customers. For food and beverage companies, WMS plays a critical role in the food and beverage industry by managing perishable goods, ensuring compliance with food safety regulations, and optimizing inventory turnover, which is essential in this sector. And the next is textile and apparel industry. So textile and apparel companies with a wide range of SKUs, sizes, and styles can use WMS to maintain accurate inventory, tracking the products, and ensure precise order fulfillment to meet the diverse needs of their customers. So NetSuite WMS is a versatile tool that can benefit organizations dealing with complex supply chain operations, and a substantial volume of inventory, as it enhances operational efficiency, reduces errors, and improves customer service.
Okay. Thanks, Navina, for shedding light on the ways in which NetSuite WMS can benefit different businesses. Can we now explore these key advantages in a little bit more detail?
Yes, Tina, it's clear that NetSuite WMS offer a wide range of benefits to organizations, and let's discuss those benefits now. NetSuite WMS helps maintain precise inventory records, reducing errors, stockouts, overstocking, and associated costs. Whether it's inbound, outbound, or inventory operations, NetSuite WMS keeps a watchful eye on the inventory levels. NetSuite WMS uses wave management to group orders intelligently, optimizing picking and packing processes. This involves grouping orders with similar delivery windows or routes, making it more efficient to pick, pack, and ship them together. We're also going to show you how to create a wave and then how to do a pick task for multiple orders in today's webinar. WMS streamlines the handling of returns by routing items to the appropriate areas of for inspection, restocking, or disposal. This ensures that organizations manage their returns efficiently. For industries where traceability is crucial, such as electronics and pharmaceuticals, NetSuite WMS can track products by serial numbers or lot numbers to ensure safety and compliance. Also, NetSuite WMS optimizes the placement of items within the warehouse based on factors like product velocity and seasonality, reducing travel time and improving the overall efficiency. For organizations with multiple warehouse locations, NetSuite WMS provides centralized control over inventory, order fulfillment, and movement between the facilities. NetSuite WMS boosts productivity through features like task prioritization and optimized picking routes, enabling warehouse staff to achieve more in lesser time. NetSuite WMS helps organizations make efficient use of their warehouse space by strategically assigning storage locations and managing item placement effectively. Also, NetSuite WMS offers real time visibility into warehouse operations, allowing for better decision making and rapid responses to changing circumstances and the customer demands as well. NetSuite WMS minimizes order picking errors, leading to higher customer satisfaction and reducing the need for returns or corrections. In summary, NetSuite WMS is a versatile solution that can positively impact an organization's operations by enhancing accuracy, efficiency, and overall productivity in warehouse and distribution management.
Right. Thank you, Navina. That was quite informative. Can you now just give us all a demo on the basic warehouse operations in NetSuite SCM Mobile?
Of course, Tina, here is a demonstration. Let me start sharing my screen now. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. So today we'll walk you through the process of creating a purchase order in NetSuite and how to receive, stage, and transfer items in your warehouse using our NetSuite WMS SAM mobile app. So let's consider a scenario where an employee from a kitchen cabinets retail store has placed an order for hardware items from vendors. So we have created a purchase order already specifying these items like knobs, blades, and all. So to receive these items with the help of WMS, we have to navigate to Setup, Custom, and Mobile App. In the mobile app, we have to select WMS. And we need to select the specific location where we'll be receiving the items. So let me just select the US one here. And we'll be able to see this menu here, and I'm going to click on the receiving because I'm going to create I would like to receive an item for a purchase order. So let me select the purchase order. We can filter the purchase orders here by items or vendors as well. Once we know that, once we know the purchase order that we want to receive the item, either we can enter a PO number or item, or we can also select the PO from the list of purchase orders which display here. Let me just try to select the PO from the list. Yeah. So now once we click on that button and selected the PO, here we'll be able to see the items which are already there on the purchase order, and here we can select which item that we are receiving from the supplier. And let me just select one item here. How much quantity we are trying to receive, and know how much, so the warehouse operator can enter the quantity. Either he can enter the partial quantity or the whole quantity which is mentioned on the purchase order. So now here it is 10 mentioned on the purchase order, like you can see that on the quantity remaining, which is 10. So let me just try to receive the 5 quantity now, and let me click on the enter quantity. Now here we have to enter the bin, or we have to scan the bin where we have to, where we would like to place this item. So these are all our staging bins. And once we place this item in the staging bins, once the process is completed, the warehouse operator can move these goods from the staging bins to storage bins. Now let me just try to select the IB stage 01 bin. And I just clicked on the bin, and that means the receiving have for this item is completed. As this purchase order has the other items also in it, for example, this BLD001 has total 10 items, and I have received 5, and you can see that received is 5 and remaining is also 5. And the other 2 items I have not received any of it, so you can see the received is 0 and remaining quantity is 1 and 5 mm. And the same process will be continued if you want to receive the items further. We just have to select the item, we just have to select the bin where exactly we have to place that item in the in a staging bin. So this is a very simple task for warehouse operators to receive the items and to place them in the bins, and then to move these items from one bin to other bin by just scanning or entering them manually. So this process ensures a smooth and efficient handling of purchase orders in your warehouse using NetSuite WMS SAM Mobile.
Okay, thanks, Navina. Before we move forward, I just want to plug in a poll question for our audience. This is just to get to know you a little bit better, and it shouldn't take more than a couple of seconds to answer. You should see the question popping up on the right side of your screen right now. Okay, thank you. Back to you, Navina. Navina, now what kind of customizations does NetSuite WMS provide?
Tina, NetSuite WMS supports limited customization options only. So let's discuss some of these possibilities. NetSuite WMS offers the flexibility to customize mobile screens by adding tabular columns to improve the functionality. For instance, in the receiving section, we can enhance the open purchase orders data table by introducing additional tabular columns like lot number, expiry dates, memo, and fields related to purchase order. So this customization enables a more tailored and efficient workflow. We can also rename fields within the mobile process. For example, changing to vendors to suppliers to align with your company's terminology. Also, we can make certain fields such as lot numbers and expiration dates mandatory when performing assembly builds in SCM mobile, ensuring critical data is consistently captured. So customizing mobile screen pages by adding new fields like country of origin and picking instructions to capture essential information. We can also adjust the display to show more rows in the orders list, improving visibility and accessibility to critical information. We can also set some default values for fields to streamline the data entry and ensure consistency in our processes. We can activate toggle states at each WMS process to track the status of completed and pending orders, enhancing order management and the overall efficiency. It's worth nothing that you have the flexibility to change the language of the WMS SCM mobile emulated device. This feature can be particularly valuable for organizations operating in multilingual environments, ensuring that the user interface is accessible and user friendly to a diverse workforce. These customization options empower organizations to adapt NetSuite WMS to their unique requirements and workflows, increasing the system's effectiveness and user friendliness.
Okay, Navina, can you tell us what the new features are of the latest NetSuite WMS version?
Of course. Let me tell you about some of the noteworthy new features in NetSuite WMS. So, in this latest version, NetSuite has introduced the capability to edit and create new wave searches directly from the wave criteria template. Additionally, you can now designate a specific wave criteria template as the default option. Users, even those restricted to certain locations, can create wave criteria templates for their respective locations. This feature offers more flexibility in creating and releasing orders according to the specific criteria. The latest version of WMS has introduced the capability for users to receive purchase orders through MPN, which is a manufacturer part numbers in the mobile SAM emulator. This feature enhances flexibility and accuracy when handling incoming inventory by allowing users to identify and receive items based on these manufactured part numbers, expanding the options beyond vendor and item based receipt methods. We have one more new feature in NetSuite WMS, which is restocking returned items. This feature allows users to restock returned items during the return authorization process in the SCM mobile emulator. This is especially beneficial for manufacturing companies that need to efficiently manage returned items by enabling users to restock and store them in selected bins, ensuring that these items can be repurposed or used for other, any other purposes within the warehouse. The work order pick reversal feature, this is also a new one, which is invaluable for users who may have accidentally overpicked work order items or raw components in the mobile device. This feature allows users to efficiently revert the overpicked items back to their original bins, reducing errors and optimizing inventory management. Additionally, users can toggle the overpicking functionality on or off, providing more control and flexibility in the work order picking process.
Thank you, Navina. Can you now share some use cases so our audience can see exactly how SCM mobile customization can address these challenges?
Definitely, Tina. Let me start sharing my screen again. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
So let's discuss two different use cases. And the first use case would be like, let's imagine a scenario where a chocolate manufacturing company operates multiple warehouse operations and their customer orders are being delayed due to the need to pick inventory from different locations. And and NetSuite WMS can assist that. So NetSuite WMS offers support for multiple warehouse management. To optimize this, we configure preferred bins for inventory locations based on inventory allocation for each item. So during the picking process, WMS will display the recommended bin, streamlining the process, and the tasks can be efficiently assigned to employees to fulfill orders promptly. So now we'll demonstrate this process in SCM Mobile. I have opened an item, which is an assembly item, and I would like to show you how we can associate the bin numbers and how we can make it as a preferred. So if you see this, I have associated multiple bins to this specific item and made two of them as preferred bins. And whenever we are trying to picking this item for any sales order or for any customer, this recommended bin will automatically show in the NetSuite WMS mobile device. Let's see that demo now. Let me just navigate to the SCM mobile emulator. Let me just go back to the menu. So I'm going to select the location here. Now that's US 1. Now we need to click on the picking because we are trying to pick the items from a specific bin. And also I have I've created a wave already in NetSuite to do this multi-order picking. Let me just show you that wave once in NetSuite. So if you see this wave, the wave 158, I have created this wave for 4 different sales orders. So if we are in a need to pick the items on a single day, but for picking, we can create a single wave. And once we created the wave, this will be visible on the SCM mobile emulator, and all those items for multiple sales orders which are added in the wave will be automatically visible on the mobile emulator for warehouse operators. Now let me just go back to the SCM mobile emulator. We just have to click on the multi-order picking because we are trying to do this wave picking. Let's look for the wave 158 that I have created for 4 different sales orders. I can see that and I'm clicking on it. So this shows all the items which are from 4 different sales orders. So now if you see this, for the first item, ivory dark chocolate bars, let me just scroll up a bit here. The orders, if you see the third column, orders, 2 to 1 is there, right? So the ivory dark chocolate bars is from 2 different orders. So NetSuite will not display the different items based on the individual orders. So it will be easy for us to pick the items for all the sales orders at once. Now let me just select one item, the first item itself. I'm trying to pick this item for 2 different customers and for 2 different sales orders. Once I select the item, I have to click on, I have to select the bin. I can either enter a bin or we can scan a bin. But as I just mentioned, NetSuite automatically shows us the recommended bin here because I have made the preferred bins on the item record itself. We also can select any other bin based on the availability. So now if you see this, there is 5,000 grams are there available in the recommended bin, also on the other bin. Let me just select a bin here. Okay, so we just have to select which item that we are picking. Let me just select the item. And how much quantity that we would like to pick here, we just have to enter. Expected quantity from 2 different sales orders would be 1,000 grams. Either I can pick a partial quantity, or I can pick the whole quantity. But let me just pick the whole quantity, which is 1,000. And I can also enter the lot number here. So if you see this here, the DC1 is a lot which is available, and I'm going to pick this item from this specific lot. Inventory status, I can see this is good, which means this is ready for packing and shipping. So now if you see this, pick task 448 is complete. So this is as simple it is. So the warehouse operators will just have to click on the wave, select the item, select the bin and how much quantity they're trying to pick, and then the pick task will be completed. And we can just click on this next pick task button if the warehouse operator want to proceed with the other item picking from that specific wave for different sales orders. And as we have already created a pick task just now, now let me navigate to NetSuite again to show you how these pick tasks are associated to a wave. Let me just refresh this wave because I have just created a new pick task. So if you see this, Ivory Dark Chocolate bars for DC1 lot number, we have just picked 1000 grams, and we have picked from the recommended bin itself, and the status is in progress. And once these items are picked by a Ivory, by a warehouse operator, and these are ready to be packed and then shipped to a customer. So NetSuite WMS can help any organization to pick these items faster for bulk orders as well. Also, I would like to discuss one more quick use case. Let's assume a cosmetics manufacturing company wants to display expiration date and batch number or lot number as columns after completing an assembly build in SCM mobile screens. So, and NetSuite WMS can address this. So through SCM mobile customization in NetSuite WMS, we can display both fields on the assembly build assembly mobile page, ensuring that critical information is readily accessible. We'll showcase this customization now. Let's just discuss one more quick use case of displaying expiration date and batch number. Let's assume a cosmetics manufacturing company wants to display expiration date and batch number or lot number as columns after completing an assembly build in SCM mobile screens, and NetSuite WMS can address that. So this NetSuite SCM mobile customization allows us to display these both fields on the assembly build mobile page, like you are seeing on the screen now, ensuring that critical information is readily accessible. And that's it from me, Tina. And thank you, everyone. I hope you found our content useful, and have a great rest of your day.
All right, thank you, Navina. And this brings us to the end of our session. If you have any questions, now is the time to ask. Our team will be hanging around to answer any questions. And should you like to reach out to Navina directly or to give us a call and set up a demo, please use the information on the screen in front of you. And I hope to see you in a future session. Thanks and bye bye.